Let's talk about stars. Hey guys, it's Nargis and I'm here for you with Speaking is a Piece of Cake. In this video, first of all, we want to dive into the most frequent topic of IELTS speaking called outer space and stars, and then I give you some nice relevant vocabularies, grammars, nice perspective and ideas. And the second stage is that I give you a nice sample answers in order to help you out to answer such challenging questions. Let's get started, shall we? Alright. The first question, is it important to study stars? First of all, just think about the importance of the presence of stars. Is it crucial or not? Is it important to learn about the celestial galaxies, Milky Way, solar systems, planets, skies, and so on? So you may think, yes, it is really crucial to learn about this topic. Why? Give the examiner a statement why your answer is yes. So you may have 3 ideas for answering this question. Number 1. You can easily say, yeah, it's really crucial to learn about outer space and the stars because it gives me a fruitful information about the physical world. Fruitful information means it's really useful for me to give some such data from the physical world I live in. And the second idea that you can easily say is that stars and planets may have a direct impact on people's lifestyle and people's lives. So have a direct impact means it's have a nice direct influence or effect on people's lifestyle and people's way of living. So yeah, I think in some cases stars may have direct impact on people's breathing, even some basic demands that people may have. So it is crucial. The third idea that you can easily say, you can use not only but also to get a higher score from that answer and mention 2 ideas at once in this answer. You can say, not only it helped me to have a better understanding about my own planet, but also allowed me to understand how our world shaped and formed, how the solar system work these days. You see what are the nice ideas I use and mention for question number 1? And please don't forget to use some relevant vocabularies for this question. You can mention different things. For example, Milky Ways. For example, solar system, stars, planets, comets, stellars, moonlights, or you can say starlights. Or even you can talk about the twilight, sunrise, sunsets, anything about the sky you may see. Okay, so try to mention these things to send a message to examiner that I literally know how to manage my thought and talk about the relevant vocabularies in this part. Alright, if you watched my video till now and you enjoy it, please subscribe my own channel. Your support, likes and comments definitely help me to keep going and let me to upload some fruitful and high quality videos on my channel and help some other sort of international students to get the highest score in such challenging and tough exam. Okay, the second question. Are you interested in films about outer space and stars? Okay, just on that moment, please think about any films you may see in your life that is totally about the planets, skies, UFOs, aliens, and so on.
Can't beat the view.
Okay, and just talk about it with a lot of detail to the examiner. Okay, instead of saying films about outer space and stars, you can easily give a nice synonym by saying sci-fi movies or science fiction movies. This is a great phrase instead of saying that repeated words. What is the reason? What is the reasons that you love or a huge fan of sci-fi movies? You may have different ideas. For example, the first reason, you can easily say that it is so intriguing or fascinating. Intriguing or fascinating means that it's so exciting for you to learn, or it's so attractive to you to follow such a topic. So we can say it's so intriguing for me to think about what's beyond on our planet. It's really interesting to answer such nice words. Or the second idea is that you can easily talk about the directors, the filmmakers. So you can say that it's so cool. It is so cool for me to see what filmmakers imagine our own universe could be like, and its special effects. It literally blew my mind, or it's mind-blowing for me. So you have different ideas for reason of your interest about sci-fi movies. You may like to talk about the filmmakers, talk about the actor or actresses, or you can give a general fact about the reason why you love sci-fi movies, because it's really cool, intriguing to watch the universe, how our solar system worked and shaped, and so on. So it's easy, right? Alright, the third question, which is really interesting to answer. Do you like to watch the sky? Well, you may have a different perspective for answering this question, which is really nice. I guess the great answer for this question is that there is nothing more peaceful as watching the sky full of stars. This is a perfect phrase to show off your own fluency and talk coherently in front of the examiner. It's perfect. Another thing that you can easily mention, talk about something about psychology and philosophy, okay? Just flourish your own mind easily to the examiner by saying this word. It's led me to see beyond where I am right now, where I am today. Or it's led me, watching this sky has led me to think that my challenges and my difficulties is uncomparable to the whole huge world I live in, to this unknown universe. Is that it's act as a stress reliever, it's helped me to relieve my stress, or it's helped my imagination. Even you can say it restores my hope, restores my energy. It means that it's helped me to keep my energy, keep my hope by watching the sky full of stars or watching the blue sky. So you may have different idea for this interesting question, different reasons why you may watch the sky on your regular basis. Alright, another question. What is the sky like at night in your hometown? So just think about your own hometown. What does it look like at night? You can say that because I'm living in the countryside, I easily can watch the sky full of stars with full of glittering stars. Glittering stars means there are a lot of stars who are shining. The shining star I can easily watch at night, or the sky is mostly clear, starry, it's dreamlike whenever I watch the sky at night in my hometown. In some cases, on the other hand, if you live in the capital city, if you live in a huge city, urban areas, you can say that it's moonless, it's starless, is mostly unclear, the sky is dark and moonless, so because of the noise pollution and light pollution, I cannot easily see the sky and watching the wonders and glittering stars. Alright, the last question. What's your favorite stars? You can easily talk about different planets in the sky like Mercury, Mars, Earth, Sirius, Sun, and so on. But I personally think that Sun is really crucial, the presence of Sun, because I think it is the most important source of energy for life on the Earth. And you can easily say that we would die. We would die if it weren't for the sun. That's a great word and great grammar to use if clause to say that if the sun is not present in our life, we would definitely die. Alright, let's see what is my sample answers. Let's hear my own sample answers. Please take some notes and trying to understand how I manage my thoughts and match my own answers for each of these questions. Let's go. Oh, that's an interesting question to answer. I guess that, yeah, of course, I think it's really crucial to study about outer space and stars because it not only helped me to have a comprehensive idea about my own planet, but also help me to understand how our world and our universe or even our solar system worked and shaped. What is more, I guess, stars and any different planets may have a different impact, may have a direct impact on people's livelihood. So why not? I think it's really crucial and necessary for all people to learn about such controversial topic. Oh, of course, yes. Honestly, I'm a huge fan of sci-fi and space movies because I think that there is nothing more cooler than watching different universe that exists in our world. And I guess that when I watched movies related to the UFOs, I don't know, aliens, spiral galaxies, and so on, when I watched the imagination of the filmmakers that what the world could be like, it literally blew my mind, and it's so fascinating to watch. Although the whole, planet, the whole world beyond our planet can be so much interesting. Wow, that's an interesting question because I think that, yeah, there is nothing more peaceful as watching the sky full of stars. In some cases, I guess that whenever I watch the sky, it's led me to think that my challenges, my difficulties in life is uncomparable to the whole wonders I live, to the whole huge world I live in these days. Of course, in some cases, it led me to restore my energy, my hope, and act as a stress reliever. To tell the truth, because I live in the big city and living in the urban areas, we are mostly witnessing the sky dark and moonless. So, though from time to time, if you're lucky, we have a lot of chances to watch the glittering stars at night, which is really amazing. Well, let me think. Although Sirius is the brightest stars in the sky and it seems as a life giver, I guess sun is the crucial source of our life, source of energy of our life in this world. So if we would die if it weren't for the sun, of course. Alright, did you get my own sample answers? Did you take some notes and obtain a lot of information from my own speech? The way that I answer this question is totally simple because I mix and match different ideas, vocabularies, grammars, and idioms in my speech to send a message to the examiner that I can manage my thoughts, I can easily talk about any topic you may give me, and it's easy peasy for me. Right? Okay, thank you so much for watching me, and I see you in the next video with a new topic. Bye bye!